Hello everyone, hello wonderful people, welcome back again, and for this video we are going to cook. We're done with recycling, Zumba, home gardening, and now we are going to cook. So what we are going to cook for today is banana chips and ube. So as you can see, I am wearing a bonnet because I don't have a hairnet, so we have to protect. This is some sort of a PPE. I'm wearing apron, and okay, let me introduce to you the ingredients. So this one I have already sliced it. So when making a banana you have to slice it in a very thin slices, and of course you have to use an unripe banana. If there's greener than this, it will be much better, because the greener the better and the thinner the better too, so that it will be that crispy. And the next is for our ube. I have an ube here. This is all of these fruits are freshly picked from our backyard, just around the corner. So this ube was harvested last week. See, and sugar. And I have here flour for the ube. So after this, I have to boil this one, and then when it gets humok na, so we're going to mash it and then put this flour over here. You're going to see it later. So that's it. Once again, thin slice of banana for the banana cube, ube, sugar, and flour, and these are our freshly picked ingredients. So I'm gonna prepare this first. See you later. So the hardest part of preparing for the banana chips is the peeling process, because it's so sticky, it's so tagok. Here you have to open it one by one, and as you open, you can see this. So I'm gonna finish this first and see you later. Okay, at this moment I am now frying the banana, the sliced banana. Deep fried. It should be deep fried. And on the next corner is our boiled pinakuluan para muhumok na ube. That one. Well, we'll wait for that to be cooked. Here we are going to the last stage of banana chips, coating it with sugar, caramel sugar. After that, you have to crush the smashed the ube and put the flour and then mix. And the ube balls next, just like this procedure that I've done with my banana cube. Coat it with sugar.